Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. Looking across the markets over the last 24 hours, we are starting to see a little bit of mild red across the board. But overall, guys, the market is still very bullish. As you guys may know, today we will be discussing Solana, so let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic. Something very interesting has happened with Solana's price and the overall ranking, and I'll tell you exactly what that has been. Before I begin though, anything on this channel is not financial advice, as you guys already know. Please always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. But if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, currently trading at $24.22. But let's forget about that for a second. Look at the ranking. Solana has claimed the top 10th spot for the first time after about like 6 months. So that is definitely something nice to point out. You know, we're definitely headed in the right direction. Right now we are seeing a little bit of a consolidation, but I'm going to share something very interesting with you guys when I pull up the charts. As I've said, you know, we are down about 2.8% in the USD comparative, also down about 3% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. But if we're looking at the market cap has been holding very strongly at that $9 billion mark. So that's a positive takeaway also. And the trading volume over the last 24 hours is once again above that $1 billion mark. So what is this showing us? This showing us that, you know, people are accumulating right now. People are buying Solana. More interest is coming in, and that's exactly what we want to be seeing as things start to heat up for the entire market. Zooming out, looking at the bigger picture, you guys can see over the last 30 days, we already know what has been happening, but I always like reminding the new viewers that we're still up about 30% in the last the last 30 days. Regardless that we are seeing a little bit of a pullback. But now if we look at the charts, because that's what everyone is here for, once again we are seeing Solana holding really strong. We're holding really strong around these levels, and you know, that is something really nice to see. But you know, we are seeing a massive level of resistance come in front of us, which is around that $25.70 mark. You know, we've tried to retest that level a few times, maybe like 3 to 4 times, but every single time we've seen a rejection from that point. And obviously right now, you know, if I do bring out the hourly time frame, we can really see things are not looking bad at all for Solana. You know, it has been holding around this level very strongly. As I've mentioned, we are seeing the previous wicks around that $25 mark play as a level of support in some sort of way for us, but we have a lot of strong momentum on our side, and I am expecting Cardano to continue this upwards trend as we go into the month of February, which is just rolling around. And I personally see, as long as the Bitcoin price does not see some sort of surprise break low, we are above $22,000 mark. I'm extremely bullish, as you guys already know. And you know, Bitcoin has been holding very strongly as well, and I've told you guys, you know, Bitcoin needs to close above that level, and it has done so, and we have been trading sideways over the past few days. Totally fine with me. As long as we're above $22,000 mark, I remain bullish on the markets. And I do believe that, you know, we could personally see the overall markets have an upwards trend till maybe, you know, April, May, or even till the summertime, June, before we see a little bit of a cool off, because Bitcoin has the momentum on its side. And not only that, let's forget about Bitcoin, the overall retail interest is flowing in once again. A lot of people are interested, a lot of people are feeling FOMO, and that can drive the price is even higher. But like I said, you know, Bitcoin needs to stay above $22,000 mark, and if it does that, I am expecting Solana to have a breakout in February or even before that. Like I said, you know, we are very close to this level of resistance. Maybe 4th or 5th time could be the charm, because if we break out of here, guys, Solana price can literally double in a matter of a few hours to days. And I'll tell you why, because after this level of resistance, there's not much level of resistance that Solana can really face. We could literally go up to that $38, around that $40 range prior to the FTX collapse very fast. And obviously you guys know the exciting part is back in the 78.6, and last time the price of Solana was in the 78.6 was all the way back in March. The price for Solana in the 78.6 zone would be around that $59 to $60 range. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still quite a bit ways from where we are right now, but 145% gain. But if we're looking at the bigger picture, guys, let's say you were accumulating Solana, I'm sorry, not accumulating, like you were eyeing Solana at the previous all-time highs and, wishing, oh man, I wish I picked some Sol up around that range. Now is a golden opportunity to dollar cost average in. The numbers speak for themselves. The ecosystem is growing at such a massive, tremendous rate. These things are right in front of our eyes, and the people that are accumulating right now, I believe, are going to be the ones that are going to be very successful the next bull cycle. I believe Solana has what it takes if they continue doing what they're doing to reach $1,000 at least the next bull cycle, because they reached $260 per Solana token just last bull cycle. So imagine the next bull cycle, things can really start heating up quite fast. And not only that, like I've said, the ecosystem is tremendously impressive. The overall growth of the ecosystem just speaks for itself. A lot of developers coming on, a lot of developers shifting their interest from Ethereum to Solana, and like I've said, that is not a surprise at all. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, there's still a massive long ways to go to all-time highs for the price of Solana, still down 91.5% from all-time highs. So that just tells, and honestly, me, I'm very transparent with my viewers. I have been accumulating Solana. I've accumulated just a few days ago, and along with prior to that, when it was around that $16 range, I was accumulating Solana like crazy, and I'm just gonna stake my Solana and just forget about it, because I know what Solana is gonna deliver in the next year to 2 years when the bull market really is at its peak. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Solana go, and are you guys ordering the Solana phone? I want to kind of get my hands on it to kind of give you guys a review, but let's see what happens. If you guys want me to do that, maybe I could make that happen. No promises, but I could try making it happen. And if I reach 100,000 subscribers this year, guys, I will give away, I'll do a massive giveaway for my viewers, maybe $5,000 giveaway to some lucky winners on my channel. We will see how that goes, but we need to get to 100,000 subscribers. But yeah, that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, and are you guys enjoying these updates? That's what I want to hear from you guys. Are you guys enjoying this content? Are you taking away some positive things out of it? Let me know down below, and do not be hesitant to criticize me where I can improve, and I will do just that. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.